Hello, I'm Nathan Hall, Dean of Education at Perry Technical Institute, and today we celebrate the graduation of students from our Ag Equipment Technician, Automotive, Construction, Electrical, Instrumentation, Medical Assistant, and Precision Machining and Manufacturing programs. It's an honor to introduce to you today our speaker that would have been at graduation, Verlin Best. The Greater Yakima Chamber of Commerce has been in operation for 125 years, and Verlin was the first woman to ever serve as CEO and president. A self-proclaimed military brat, Verlin moved 12 times before she was the age of 18. Verlin's role at the Chamber of Commerce includes staying on top of legislative policy and practice. She's a champion for the small business owner in Yakima. Verlin also serves as mentors for business owners with the entrepreneurial spirit. I'm now honored and pleased to welcome Verlin Best.
Hello, I'm Verlin Best, the CEO and President of the Greater Yakima Chamber of Commerce, and I'm here today to congratulate the Perry Technical Institute graduates. It's different times right now, and all it does is bring back great memories for me. When I moved to Yakima, May 17th, 1980. Yes, I arrived just the day before Mount St. Helens went off. So this is a different kind of graduation, but it will be ingrained in your memory forever. You are graduating from a school that's been established for over 81 years and graduated over 10,500 students. So students, parents, faculty, family, friends, congratulations from the Greater Yakima Chamber of Commerce.
Graduates, again, congratulations on this amazing day, your graduation from Perry Technical Institute. I hope you know that you will always be a part of the Perry family, and we will support you forever, for the rest of your lives. I'm going to leave you with a quote, one of my favorite quotes by James Baldwin. Not everything that is faced can be changed, but nothing can be changed unless it is faced. Go forth and conquer. I look forward to seeing you in the future. Come back and see us at Perry Technical Institute. Congratulations.